Третий класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание, Светит, солнышко, часть 2, страница 44, 45, 46, 47. English, Starlight 3, The sun is shining, homework, part number 2, page number 44, 45, 46, 47. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you. You look wonderful today. So do you. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm very glad you like it. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 44, 44. Grammarland. Present continuous. Affirmative. Повествовательная форма. I'm wearing my new t-shirt. We're picking flowers. Действие, которое происходит прямо сейчас, в момент говорения. Affirmative. Long form. I'm wearing. You're wearing. He is wearing. She is wearing. It is wearing. We are wearing. You are wearing. They are wearing. Short form. I'm wearing. You're wearing. He is wearing. She is wearing. It's wearing. We're wearing. You're wearing. They're wearing. Remember. I am. I'm. He is. His. She is. She's. We are. We're. They are. They're. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1. Look and make sentences. Use speak, listen, jump, play, rain and dance. Посмотрите и составьте предложение. Используйте собирать, слушать, прыгать, играть, дождь, танцевать. The answer. She's picking flowers. They're jumping. She's playing the piano. He's dancing. It's raining. He's listening to music. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 45, 45. Exercise number 2. What are they doing? Look and complete the sentences. Что они делают? Посмотрите и дополните предложение. The answer. She's playing the guitar. He is reading a book. It's singing. They are playing football. She's picking flowers. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Read and match. Find the secret word. Прочтите и сопоставьте. Найдите секретное слово. She's dancing. They're wearing big hats. It's flying. They're running. He's eating an ice cream. I'm wearing my shoes. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 46, 46. Grammarland. Present continuous spelling rules. Remember, it's raining. We're getting wet. The sun is shining. Get, getting, shine, shining. It's raining. We're getting wet. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 1. Put the verbs in their ring form. Поместите глаголы в их инговую форму. The answer. Rain, raining. Play, playing. run, running. Dance, dancing. Shine, shining. Sit, sitting. Have, having. Draw, drawing. Write, writing. Read, reading. Wear, wearing. Drive, driving. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Look and match the pictures to the sentences. Посмотрите и сопоставьте картинки с предложениями. Oh no, we're getting wet. Look, it's having a bath. The sun is shining. Let's go to the park. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 47. 47. My new clothes. Exercise number 3. Read and complete the postcard. Прочтите и заполните открытку. The answer. Dear Mom and Dad, we're having a great time here in Spain. It's hot today. The sun is shining. Peter and Mike love the sea. I'm sitting under my umbrella and Peter's playing in the water, and he's getting wet. Anna and Mike are swimming. We like it here. Wow, Penny. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Look at the picture and complete the sentences. Посмотрите на картинку и дополните предложение. The answer. Mona is dancing. Elena is singing. Alvin and Willow are running. Lee and Emma are riding a bike. Harry is playing the guitar. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.